Hello friends, today I am going to discuss natural language processing and natural language processing. So first there is just some basic steps we will try to understand how to implement like a natural language processing. So let's see the some uh, what is the natural language processing. So most of the time we see like a research and paradigm of the NLP, and sometimes we will see in the deep learning based approach. So NLP, natural language processing models that understand sentence or overall context of sentence could have been created after deep learning base. If we create like an artificial neural network components and that connects with all parts of a sentence, these variables after learning contains information of the whole sentence and the accuracy is constantly increasing. But it's a some process need to do more like text mining, data acquisitions, string manipulations. Okay, these are the part of the natural language processing. But if we do like a one process in the natural language processing, so let's do the some steps like tokenizations. So what is the tokenizations? It's a break down the raw text into a words or sentence. So and next, if you want to like a cleaning, means remove punctuations marks, excess space, special characters, etc., and also remove the excessively short and infrequent words. Then we do the normalize, yeah, the conversions to the lower cases, remove the stop words, streaming and limitations, expansion of abbreviations, irregular expressions means RE we will import here. So the NLP cleaning gets right to unevenness, like and noise in the data. Normalizations convert the similar word into the more uniform sequence. So let's do the practical here. How do we solve? So first process is that we need to the import like a NLTK. Just I have done here. So we are import NLTK, and then we try to NLTK download Punkit. So take 1 minute, it should take a few minutes, yeah, right. And then from NLTK downloaded Punkit, it's a part of the NLPK, and from NLTK tokenized import a word like a tokenize and print the tokenized word like this. So it's a tokenized word will be changed. So don't be fooled by the dark, let's see, right, by the dark sounding name. It's a sounding, it's a name. So sounding name like and you write the something more like a Mr. Raj. It's a Raj. Mr. Raj Orphanage. So RPHANG is as cherry, as cherry goes for a past, as goes cherry goes for a past, goes for a past. So if you I write this way, means it's a this type of the word as a. So in this sentence I have written the so many words like twice, thrice, and I want to the tokenize these words. So let's see. So first do, not, be, full. So and is a double quotations brackets. It's a be, full, by, and similarly it's a quotations is also included here. And Mr. Raj is, so double quotations. So these are the way in the tokenize your words here. But after that, like means so NLTK offered the tools necessary for a tokenize like the English corpus. Corpus is the sentence, and so you can see the data. And now another words if I want to write here is a from word punctuation. So let's another I want to the import this word, and I am going to copy and paste as it is the same word. So let's go, and it's a like this, Control C, and then I am going to write tokenize, and inside of this bracket tokenizer word tokenizer, and then words punctuate tokenizer parenthesis it's a dot and tokenize, right? TOKENI right, tokenize, and it's a parenthesis. Now put here the brackets, it's this one. Let's do here. It's a tokenize, not a TO, should be like this. So you can see your word look like this. So in this word, means word tokenize separated. So don't into do, as, and, but, Raj into the Raj into Raj and is. Look there. Raj and is the different. So it's a way. Another, let's try, means Keras is also as a tokenized tool, and it supports text to words sequence. So let's try Keras. So now I am going to write here, it's a from TensorFlow, FROM, from tensor, TENSOR. It's a TensorFlow, tensor. It's a TensorFlow.keras, tensor LOOW dot TENSOR dot keras K, yeah, it's a keras dot preprocessing dot preprocessing dot text import input and text underscore text and then underscore word and sequence live there. I think it should be imported. Yeah, it has been imported. Pre-processing and TensorFlow Keras. Now I want to print as it is. So print here. Let's go. It's print text te this one text word and sequence. Go here and now complete. Now you can see here. So it has been printed like this. So we can see here. So Keras is also like the, it's a similar to like the previous we have done. It's a tool, but all the words has been written is a small letters, and previous we can say, so it has been the way we can recognize these words. Now let's see. Another is the stop words is the text pre-processing, another part of the text pre-processing. So stop words and keywords. So stop words are the commonly used the words that do not contain semantic information. So defined and indefined articles like the, and prepositions on, with, into, upon. So stop words are removed during the data normalization process. Keywords are selected among the available words after removing the stop words. So often the most frequent words can be selected as a keyword. Sometimes we should also take into account the purpose and context. So let's see. So how do it works here, stop words, and similarly like the estimations and streaming. So estimations and streaming here. So let's how to solve this problem. Let's do the practicals in the from NLTK dot stem import word net limitations. So dot, it's a word net. Yeah, so let's import here. Just I am importing it here, and then after that we can intimate like a just as a variables. This n should be equal to like a word. It's a big. So let's take a one small variable. It's like this. So we are writing this word like a word net, and this one imported here. So words should be equal to so words should be equal to, you can write here words like that. You can create some list. So I am creating a list, a name of the sum like a right here policy. Another is the doing, comma, it's a doing. Now third is, you can write another like a name of the something, organizations. And fourth is like a have, write AVE. Now next we can write here going, it's why are going, just Okay, and another we write the one more like it's a love, and you write the next is okay, one of the brackets have been left here. Now next you write here like likes, another word we can write the more word like a fly, and next we can write here dies, next we can write here washed, next we can write here has, and anything just according to your requirement, don't worry. And let's write one more word like a starting. Right, so these are the we have already created. Now I want to like create the some n dot, just I have created, and I want to write here n, just I have written there. So n dot limitize, so let me le, so look here limitize, and it's a limitize like a, you can put here parenthesis like a w, is it, and for w in words, so for I can put here for w in, where should be, it's a words, words, and I can create like a, it's a list here, and here it's a close there, this has been closed, and I want to the print here, so put here the parenthesis, it's a print. So now let's see here what happened, but I am getting the something problem, so don't worry. Yeah, I need to the import this word net, so let's write here NLTK Control C, and I am doing this process here. It's a good tool, and then I can do here, look here. Now I want to see, this is a way we can do. So the policy, it's a doing, organizations have, going, love, lives, okay, li enter, but life and fly, die is a, so it's a limitized these words, the watched, so before w we can see here it's a has been changed, so it's a, this is a way we can understand it. So it's a limitized, look here, if I want to like a n dot limitize and dice and v, if I want to write here like this, Control C, and I want to put here something like this, it's not the list, limitize, and I want to put here the dice here, DIES has been written, it's a, and put here the comma, and like a enhance of the V, not a W, just something other, put here the V, let's see what happens. So we can see it's a not a dice, it's a only DIE,
Similarly, the watched, I am putting here like in hands of the this limitize watched here, WATCHED. You can see here is a watch, and has you can put here like a has. So, so streaming is the way of getting a word root from by applying a given rules. So limitizations is the extractions of the lambda. Now it's a extractions of the lambda. Next, let's see is the streaming. Next process is the streaming. So streaming it's right the we need to the import the something the same way. So let's see from import from from NLP dot stream dot import and poster streamer. So name of modules like a PO, it's a poster streamer. And one is the word tokenized. So let's write to another from NLTK dot tokenized import word tokenized WORD underscore. So I have imported both of them, and poster streamer I can represent like something other variable. It's a so let's see here. I am going to write here like s should be equal to poster. Right, and then I can write here the some text. It's a text should be equal to, you can write the any words, it doesn't matter what are you writing. So you write the double quotations, and I am taking the words as it is the same. Where should I take in the so let's I am going to the copy and paste here. So go here, and I am going to write here as it is same. It's a doublet, so there is no need to the put here. It's a once, okay. Now it's alright. It's a text here. Now words. So let's I am going to write here. It's a words should be equal to WORDS. It's a equal to word underscore tokenized. This one. Control C. It's a word underscore tokenized, and what should I write here? Text, text. It's a variable, and then print of words. Then print of words. Let's check it. So it's a has been tokenized like this. And similarly, just if I want to like a stem, I want to do like this way. So look, I want to write this way. Print and parenthesis, like create a list here as it is the previous just, and I want to put like s dot stem and put here it's a w, and for w in the words after parenthesis for
W in say words. Now let's see what happened. So we can see as it is. So streaming is a way of getting a word's root from by applying a given rule. So limitations is a extractions like as it is same lambda. So this is the streaming process. So streamizations for Porter algorithms, it has been a rule based like a LIs AL, ANCE like a delete, IC ICL. It's a look like this way. So we can do same process here, and so the streaming is the way to getting a word root from by applying a given rule. So keep in your mind. After that, like pause tagging like the parts of speech POS, and instead like English. So the personal pronoun, passive pronouns, adverbs, and this type of process. So it's a test like some, if you want to this test some sentences, so we will do in the process. And like another so many libraries, NLTK has a library used like a Python's library, NLP tokenized like a set the tokenized word, tokenized stop words, streaming, limitations, pause tagging. Okay, lexical resources is also wordnet and other things. And one most of the things, so we can easily visualize words, we can count these words. So these are the way we will try to understand in the next class. So I hope, thank you very much for today, and it helps the somebody. Thank you.